Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all these new nail dual forms that I purchased, and as you can see they are stiletto tip. So I really wasn't going to record this video, but after I did my pinky nail and my thumbnail, I was like, wait, the people need to see this. So right now I'm just applying my base coat so that I can put on the Polygel. And the colors that I'm using are white and pink, and the white is from my Gershon and the pink is from the new Burano set that I just purchased. So again, I really wasn't even going to record this video. I was just going to do a quick simple little Valentine's Day look and be happy with it. But I was just so surprised at how the first two came out. I had to show you. And as I began to apply while the camera was recording, I was messing up. So right here, I applied too much Polygel in the dual form, but I didn't freak out. I didn't panic. I continued. And after I finished putting all of them on, I then proceed to file, shape, and I made it look really good at the end. But I was like really nervous once I turned the camera on. I don't know what was going on with my feelings, my emotions. They didn't make me cry, but they were moving all around. So I also purchased some nail clips so that I could hold the nail down on my finger and I can adjust the Polygel if needed. And right here, as you can see, there was too much Polygel in the dual form, so I'm trying to spread it out so that I won't have a lump underneath it. And then I also was trying to like clean it up around the cuticle, but I'm gonna stop talking now. So with my middle finger and my ring finger, they're going to be my little accent nails. So what I'm doing right here is I am applying a light thin base coat to the dual form, and I'm going to add these little pink iridescent hearts inside of the dual forms. Now you don't have to do it this way. You can put the hearts on after you have applied the Polygel and cured it, but I prefer to do it first, and then I'm going to cure it after I get the desired amount of hearts in there. Then I proceed into putting the Polygel on top of that, and I'm gonna just spread it out and let you guys watch this part. So as I said in the beginning, I was so nervous in doing this video. You can tell I was nervous because I'm all out of the frame. I don't know what was going on, but it's like I've never did a nail video before. I don't know. I have no idea. But after I get the desired amount in the dual form, then I place it on my nail and I cure it. And then I pop that dual form off and I wipe my hand down. No, I wipe my nail down with alcohol just to remove the sticky layer from the Polygel. And then I'm going to repeat and do it for the next finger. And I'm going to get quiet and I'm not going to come back until the end. I promise. here's the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this simple little Valentine's Day nail look. And don't forget to listen to Niece Ava.
Click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up.